Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WC Fab, and we've got an old special here behind us today. We've been talking a lot lately about WC Fab shop trucks and new product and things we're working on, and we want to let you know that we have not forgot about you LML owners. We recently picked up a nice, slow mile, of course it's red, company colors, 2016 LML truck. So we've got a bone stock unit here, and we've had a lot going on the R&D side with LML product. So we just wanted to let you LML owners know that things have changed a lot over the years, obviously, with our LML product line, but we have not forgot about you. We've been very busy on the new Ford 6.7 platform, as well as L5P products. But we all know the LML was a beast before the L5P took over. We're gonna do some emissions testing. Several years ago, we started hitting a lot harder on doing emissions testing on all of our product lines so that we can make sure that our dealers are able to sell the product with confidence. And we finally have an LML here to get all of our LML stuff 49 tested and finished as well. We've got a product that we're really excited to bring back to market that we haven't offered in several years now for the LML, which is our high flow Y bridge. So we've got a beautiful, nice cast aluminum piece you can see here, teaser shot that's going to be getting released here possibly by the end of the year, maybe early next year. We've got a handful of these here now and installed on trucks and running them through their testing phases, but this part is awesome. It's going to be the only one on the market and the only one available if you want emissions intact, no codes, and no trouble, high flow Y bridge. So this bridge flows tremendously better than the OEM component. Still has all of the provisions for the EGR, and it bolts right in place, factory turbo, all factory components. The bridge kit is going to come standard with our high flow upper crossover pipe, which is going to eliminate a lot of the bottlenecks that the factory system has. Very soon here, we will again offer a complete high flow bundle package product line for the 2011 to 16 LML owners. So we just wanted to get you back in the loop and let you know we haven't forgot about the LML crowd. We've been hard at work for a while now on the design team and in the machine shop getting parts going for this truck. So if you've got any other ideas, anything else you want to comment about, products you'd like to see for the LML, feel free to drop them below. Let us know what you think. We've got a lot of stuff for the LML that we've changed over the years. That we've considered bringing back to market. One of those being our emissions intact twin turbo kits. We offered a twin turbo kit for the LML many years ago, and we've considered going back to the drawing board with that one and bringing it up to today's quality standards and fit and finish and re-releasing that. So let us know what you think. Leave a comment below, give us your opinion. We'll get this truck upgraded here before long to make it look at the rest of our shop trucks, get a nice tire and wheel package, do some suspension upgrades, and before long it'll have every WC Fab goodie under the hood, and you'll see it out at shows and events across the country all year long. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We haven't forgot about you LML guys, and we got a lot of cool stuff coming.